Today, we're going to be talking about the 6 best Latin dating sites in 2021. These days, we're learning that love is love, no matter who you find it with. That said, there are still people who have specific types. If you're looking to meet some interesting Latin singles or Hispanic singles, you'll be thrilled to know that Hispanic and Latin dating sites connect men and women looking for friendship, companionship, and love every day. Dating for Hispanic and Latino singles is easier than ever before with these sites and apps. Before we delve in, make sure to like and subscribe to get dating tips, advice, latest reviews on dating sites, and also make sure to take the Date a Flutter online quiz to make sure you get the most accurate dating site for you. Number 1 is Adult Friend Finder. Adult Friend Finder is one of the leading online dating sites for singles looking for playful, fun relationships. Could your match be among their 80 million users? While this site isn't specifically for Latino dating or meeting Hispanic partners, with so many members, you're sure to find someone that fits the bill. This site is a pretty big hit with casual daters. So if that's what you're looking for, you'll be happy to know this site is fast, easy to use, and simple to get started. The profiles aren't too detailed, so it's a great site if you're ready to get into the dating pool quickly and easily. What Adult Friend Finder also offers that many other sites don't are these group chat rooms, which allow you to get to know people without having a direct conversation with a particular member from the start. So these group chats are really popular because people could exchange messages without the vulnerability of having to talk to someone one-on-one. So the rooms are manageable, so your presence won't be lost in thousands of messages flashing by, but you can still actually read what people have to say and actually maintain a conversation, which is a great way to ease yourself into the dating scene. All right, number 2 is Amigos Calientes. Amigos Calientes has been compared to Adult Friend Finder. So the user interface and the accompanying app are very similar, but it has one big advantage. The site is geared towards Latin and Hispanic members, which makes it easier to find partners you're looking for. That said, this site is another one that's veered more towards casual dating. So members' profiles aren't as comprehensive as other sites, which forces singles into conversations more rapidly than the other sites out there might. It also makes for an easier browse to find a potential partner. With millions of members, this is a great way to go about Latino dating. Number 3 is eHarmony. eHarmony is one of the most trusted dating sites out there. Many couples have come together thanks to this site and its approach to making matches that last. There are over 50 million registered members, and while 77% of those users identify as Caucasian, 9% of the users are partially or totally Latino or Hispanic. eHarmony has Latin singles on their main site, but there's also the eHarmony Hispanic dating section that offers more dedication to matches between Latino singles. To make their matches, eHarmony uses their compatibility matching system, which is a 29-point system that combines information from you and your potential matches' profiles and personality assessments to create a score. The score determines your compatibility. The higher the score, the more compatible you are. eHarmony has helped a lot of people find love in the purest form. If you're looking for something serious, eHarmony's Latino section might be a great way for you to find that someone special and meet the person you've dreamed of. Number 4 is Chispa. Chispa is one of the most streamlined and simple dating apps out there. If you're looking for frills with your matches, this won't be the one for you. That said, it is one of the online dating services that is geared towards helping single Latin and Hispanic people find each other and share their cultural experiences while getting to know each other. To get started with Chispa, sign up and create your profile. You can sign up using social media. So many members connect their profiles to their Facebook accounts, and you can even sync information from your profile to make it even easier to start meeting singles. While most members are from the United States, there are a lot of members from Latin American countries like Mexico, Colombia, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. Chipla helps you find people in your area specifically, so it's also a viable option if you're visiting any one of these countries. There are flexible filter settings, so you could set the location range and age range for people you might come across. Chispa is one of the more visually oriented sites, so keep in mind that pictures are a must. You'll be able to share up to 6 pictures, so choose your favorites to share with other singles. The more information you share in your profile, the more likely people are to check it out, so share what you're comfortable with to get the best results. Number 5 is Latin American Cupid. Latin American Cupid hopes to bring Latino men and women from all over the world together in pursuits of their friendships, relationships, and love. Unlike other dating sites that only have a section of their site for Latin singles, this is one of the few specialized Latin dating sites. There are a lot of Latin singles from English-speaking countries, but many of the members hail directly from Brazil, Latin America, Colombia, the Dominican Republic, Venezuela, Ecuador, Chile, Peru, Argentina, Puerto Rico, Cuba, Mexico, and more countries are well represented in the user demographics. You can get started on Latin American Cupid by signing up for free in under 5 minutes, then fill out your profile. Many users note that members without photos on their profile get much less interaction, so you'll probably want to include a picture of yourself. Some users wish there were more security features, but otherwise, many are happy with Latin American Cupid, and many users recommend upgrading to the paid premium membership to get the most features out of the dating site. One of the only complaints from members is that there's an uneven gender split. So if you're a woman, it will be easier for you to find a partner. Men typically have a slimmer pool to choose from. Number 6 is Colombian Cupid. Colombian Cupid is another dating site that's dedicated to Hispanic dating. It's part of a series of Cupid dating sites, and there are other countries that have their own, such as the Dominican Republic. These dating sites make it easier for locals from that country to get to know other singles from around the world. Colombian Cupid members love that there are some very specific filtering tools. Detailed profiles also make it easy to spell out what you're like and what you're looking for. Members feel like this leaves just a little less room for misunderstanding. If you're in Colombia or traveling to the area looking for someone, this is one of the best online dating sites to do it. It works especially well in major cities like Medellin. It's a great alternative if you're looking for something more substantial than what Tinder offers, as it's one of the only other options. While you could do quite a bit on Colombian Cupid for free, you might want to consider a paid membership. It makes it easier to navigate the dating site and allows you unlimited ways to connect with other singles on there. Alright, there you have it, the top 6 dating sites for Latino and Hispanic singles. You have everything you need if that's what you're looking for. But before we go, make sure to like and subscribe to get dating tips, advice, and the latest reviews on the best dating sites. Also, make sure to take the Date Flutter online quiz to find the most accurate dating site for you. Until the next one, happy dating out there.